Awesome Kings Lake home for sale. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home has a split floor plan with a family room. Gorgeous laminate flooring throughout the home. Stainless steel appliances and reverse osmosis system in the kitchen. The kitchen looks out to the family room with a view of the big backyard, which has plenty of room for a swimming pool. Enjoy the peaceful and tranquil outdoors in your own spacious screened in Lanai! This is a great vacation home or for year-round living. Kings Lake community has low HOA fees and is centrally located and convenient to downtown, beaches, shopping, and schools. Kings Lakes offers tennis courts and bike/jog paths. Don't miss out on this excellent opportunity.